everyone, I'm running really late today, so I am going to try and do a really quick ring pour and then head out to meet my friends. I'm going to go back to what I know and what I like. One of the things I'll be using today is the Americana Deco Art satin enamels and try and get a bit of a cloudy effect here and there, some metallics. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like my channel and you'd like me to add a subscribe button to your channel and the end screen of my videos, then leave a comment below and I'll be really happy to do that. I think it would be really good if we support each other. So drop a comment down below if you'd like to do that. I'd like things to be a bit more interactive if possible. It's already really late, so I'm just going to get on with it. I'll put the paints in the description box and I'll probably put the camera on time lapse. Sorry for the rush video, but hey, this is my ring pour. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. If you want to find me on Instagram, I am Tokyo Makes, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's challenge is a ribbon pour. It's very similar to the tree ring in how you prepare it. It's just the shape of the pour that's different. I haven't done one before, but I'm anticipating that it should be fairly easy. See you later. Bye.